This segment covers glazing and deglazing procedures for single-hung, double-hung, and slider Thermo-Tech windows. This often involves handling cracked or broken glass, so it is essential that proper eye and hand protection be used at all times during these procedures. The deglazing process begins after you have carefully removed the sash from the window frame and confirmed glass replacement size. First, using a utility knife or a thin, flexible knife, cut the glazing tape between the exterior surface glass and the frame. Be extremely careful when doing this. Cracked or broken glass is very dangerous. To prevent additional breakage, avoid applying downward pressure on the glass itself. Then remove glazing stops with a small pry bar or stiff bladed putty knife. The side stops are removed first, then the top and bottom stops. Save these stops for reuse later. Once the glazing tape is cut all the way around the sash and the glazing stops are removed, gently push the glass out of the frame and discard safely. Using a 1/2-inch chisel, scrape or shave away as much of the old glazing tape as possible, being careful not to cut into the vinyl frame. Glazing procedures start with the application of new glazing tape, which is supplied with the replacement glass. This tape has adhesive on both sides. Leave the blue side exposed. In each corner, pull the blue covering on the tape back 2 to 3 inches, and then apply a pea-sized drop of black silicone where the glazing tape ends meet. At the bottom of the sash frame, lay 3 setting pads, 2 at 2 inches from each corner and 1 in the center. Carefully place the new glass into the sash frame so it rests on the setting pads, and then align it so it sits evenly within the frame. Next, place additional setting pads around the sash, at 2 inches from every corner and in the center of every side. Pull the blue glazing tape strips from the exterior side of the sash. Beginning with the top and bottom of the sash, carefully press sash stops into the frame by applying pressure. The stops will securely snap into the sash frame. Finally, insert the side sash stops. Proper glazing and deglazing techniques will ensure an effective seal against the elements for years to come.